Hey everybody, welcome to this video. The video is going to be really different and really quick. First of all, I just want to thank all of you for participating in the YouTube community posts that I've been posting. It's been fun to put out some ideas and get your guys' feedback on videos that you want. Every comment, every like, every response is super helpful and I really appreciate it. The second and final thing that I want to say is the final post that I put out talked about you guys sending in some pictures to me to go ahead and then edit in rawtherapee. It seems like that was a positive thing. So I've gone ahead and created this email address. I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen. So if you guys want, go ahead and take your raw photographs and send them to that email address. I'm going to keep that open for submissions until noon on Sunday, March 15th. Make sure to include your name and any relevant information about you. If you have an Instagram handle or something like that that you want me to put in the video, go ahead and include that as well. And of course, make sure we keep it classy, guys. So I look forward to your submissions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.